Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. You're looking at my computer setup, and I'm actually set up with two 23-inch Dell glossy monitors, but I do have an issue with one of them, and I'll show you that next. So zooming into the right monitor, you can see How To with Geo YouTube channel is up and ready. But if I were to shut this window, watch what happens. You will see kind of a ghostly image of the window I just had open. Now this is called image retention. Sometimes if it's really bad, it's called burn-in. But in this case, it actually disappears after a while. So this is more of an image retention issue. So this does sometimes happen with LCD monitors or liquid crystal displays, especially when they get older. Now don't get confused with what's shown on the sticker on my left monitor, which actually shows LED. Now the LED stands for the backlighting of the monitor. The way LCD monitors work is a small charge is applied to the liquid crystals in the monitor, and that changes the transparency of a small area on the screen. Now the transparency allows light to come in or out, and so you do need a backlight. And for these particular monitors, it is an LED backlight. But the monitor itself, as you can see on the back of the monitor, is actually an LCD monitor. But if you own a Dell monitor or an Alienware monitor, you're in luck because there's already a program inside the monitor that could help solve this problem, and it's called LCD conditioning. And to get to this program, you need to go into the setup menu of the monitor, and you access that through either buttons on the side or the back of the monitor as you see here. And so what you want to do is access the menu options of your monitor. From there you want to scroll down to Other Settings, and then you'll see LCD Conditioning, and you will want to enable that. Now depending on the age of your monitor, this menu might look a little bit different as you can see here, but essentially it's the same process, looking for Other Settings and then LCD Conditioning. So getting back to the original monitor, when you hit Enable, you will see a new window that says, this feature will help reduce minor causes of image retention. Depending on the degree of image retention, the program may take some time to run. Do you wish to continue? And you just want to select yes. And from there, you'll see your monitor turn into a variety of colors, starting with red and then green and so forth. Every few seconds, you'll notice a different color, including white and black. And you'll see a little label on the monitor that says, LCD conditioning is currently in progress. Press any button on the monitor to terminate LCD conditioning at any time. And so this process will help clear any visual errors, fault, or malfunctions that may be causing the image retention, at least minor image retentions. Now you're going to be probably running this for at least an hour. It's actually recommended to do this about twice a year for about an hour at a time. But you'll be doing this for about an hour and then see if the image retention persists. If it does, you may want to do another hour. It really won't hurt the monitor, it's just basically flashing different colors on the monitor. So after about an hour, you just hit any key on your monitor to end the process and see if the image retention persists. And hopefully you've solved the problem. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.